Well, hello guys, this is Diamond from Diamond Shine Soap. I'm so excited to see you today. Today we are going to make some lip gloss, guys. If you want to start a lip gloss business, this is a video for you. Or if you just want to make it for your kids, your grandkids, this is also the video for you too. Just click the link inside the description box and you will find the whole entire recipe. Let's talk about what we're going to be doing today, okay? Alright, so these are the lip gloss base packages that I got off of Amazon, guys. They were really cheap. I think it was about $8 for two. So you'll find those on there very easy. Now this is the cheap version of the base. You can get the TKB one, and that one, honestly, that would be better if you buy it straight from TKB's website. And I believe that TKB usually ship like the same or the next day, so you don't really have to wait long for it to come, and you can get a larger quantity. Now I got these off of Amazon as well, and as you can see, I have pretty much every single fruit there is, okay? Now you don't have to use these are completely optional, but they do add something very special to every single lip gloss, because you know, if it's banana, you can put bananas in it. There's some avocados. I mean, they just really cute. So I feel like if you're gonna make some lip gloss, then you should go ahead and get you some of those, and I will link those inside of the Patreon as well. Another thing you will need is a pack of syringes. Now I use these big syringes right here. They did good, but to me, to be honest with you, next time I'm probably going to use a smaller syringe. I like the smaller ones a little bit better. So these are the lip gloss containers. These are the tops, and also, you know, those go right on top and they screw on. Well, you just kind of push them down, they don't screw on, and that is what the lip gloss actually come through. And this is the company that I got those lip gloss containers from. One thing about the lip gloss, it is really cheap, and it came with these bags as well. I will link all of that inside of the Patreon so you can have every single vendor that you need, okay? All right, so first thing first is you're going to take the lip gloss base, and this is very easy to do, and you are going to take that base and you are going to put it inside of your container. We will not be heating anything up today, although you can probably heat this base up and, you know, probably make it a little bit easier for you to combine everything. I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm gonna try the heated method next time just to see if it kind of thin out a little bit to make it easier to go through the syringe. I'm gonna try it like that. So I'm just trying to get all of this base out. I don't want to waste anything. Guys, let me give you a word of advice. When you are making this particular lip gloss and you want it to stay clear like gel and you don't want it to be really cloudy, as far as your oils is concerned, because that's what we're going to do next, we're going to go ahead and put a carrier oil into it. I'm going to use MCT oil. Coconut oil is awesome. Jojoba oil clear is awesome as well. Just try not to use any oils with colors, because then, you know, it's going to change the color of the actual lip gloss and it's going to make it cloudy. So try not to use that as well. The next thing I want to tell people, because I had this question asked before, someone asked me, could you use fragrance oil inside of lip gloss? And I know that may be a question that you're like, come on now, but no, listen, it's a really good question to ask. No, we don't use fragrance oil, but we do use vitamin E, and that is what I'm using right now. I'm adding some vitamin E, and as you can see, guys, I have some pink mica powder, so I added the mica powder as well. I try not to use too much, but let me tell you guys what you can use. You can use flavor oils. You can use the flavor oils that they sell at, I think, Michael's or Hobby Lobby. They call Lorian's. You could use that, or you can actually go to Wholesale Supplies Plus. I had a lot of flavor oils back in the day from Elements, Bath and Body before they closed down, so that's where I got mine from. But if I was up there trying to buy some flavor oils, I probably would go with Wholesale Supplies Plus, because you can get, you know, chocolate, orange, banana, Laffy Taffy, and I do believe that Wholesale Supplies Plus took over Elements, Bath and Body, and they carry their products, so you can get some of that good old-fashioned flavor oil from Wholesale Supplies Plus. So you want to take it and you want to stir it up, and as you guys can see, the color didn't change. It didn't really get cloudy. It got a little bit cloudy, but not much. Nothing that's noticeable. But anyway, I'm not worried about the transparency, because I'm going to be adding pink to it anyway, because I love pink so much. So I'm just going to go ahead and add a little bit, and I just kind of add a little bit at a time until I get my desired color. Now you want to go ahead and grab your syringe and sit it to the side, but take your little fruit pieces of Palmer clay and put those inside of the lip balm container. And then you want to sort of push your lip gloss base into the lip gloss container, but kind of pull back a little bit just to release the air, because if you keep it all the way up, it's going to be harder to put it in because of the air. So, I hope it makes sense. After you finish filling up your container, you want to go ahead and grab you some dishwashing liquid and take that dishwashing liquid and just kind of clean the outside of the syringe and also the lip gloss containers as well, because they will be a little bit greasy. Okay, so I am finished, guys. I'm just filling up the last one, and listen to me very close. This project was so simple, so easy, and you really don't use a whole lot of product to make it. So with that being said, this is actually an awesome product to sell. If you want to sell this on your online store, at pop-up shops, you definitely will make a lot of bang for your buck. Anyway, guys, go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys again.